Hello, welcome to Phonics Day 3 for the week of May 18th, 2020. So day 1 we reviewed high frequency words. Day 2 we worked on suffixes, and today we're going to work on homophones. So let's get started with day 3. I just have to find it on my slides. There they are. There's day 3. Okay, you will need a piece of pencil and a piece of paper and a pencil for our homophones. So we're going to review homophones. Remember, homophones are words that sound the same but mean something different. So remember two, and two, TWO, the number 2, TOO, also or more. TO is used for everything else. Also, we have there, and there. Remember, guys? THEIR, that's their stuff, their house, their car. THERE, here is the place you want to be. When they are is what you mean. That's when you add the apostrophe. All right, so today we're focusing on its and its. Okay, ITS with no apostrophe, so just ITS. It's used when something belongs to something or is associated with something. IT apostrophe S, its, replaces it is or it has. Okay, so we're going to talk about, oops, I better go up here. We're going to talk about if we're using ITS, oh, I need an S there, ITS or IT apostrophe S, its or its. The chicken sat on its egg until it hatched. Now, all we need to do is put it is to see if it works. The chicken sat on it is egg until it hatched? Oh no. So it's just it's. No apostrophe on this one. Sally announced it's Maria's birthday today. Sally announced it is Maria's birthday today? Yeah, that works. So IT apostrophe S. Notice that I'm having a capital because it's a sentence. It's Maria's birthday today. Dad doesn't think it's a good idea to play outside today. Dad doesn't think it is a good idea to play outside today. Does that work? Yes, it does. So we're going to need the apostrophe. When do you think it's going to rain? When do you think it is going to rain? Yep, that does work. So we need the apostrophe. All right, guys. So the key is to just put it is in its place, and if it is works, then you need the it's with the apostrophe S. If it is does not work, like the chicken sat on its egg until it hatched, then there's no apostrophe. Okay, that's the key. So guys, I'm also including its or its. It's so confusing. I'm including that. And remember, I'm also including the answer key. And the reason I'm doing that is for you to challenge your brain and really think about its or its, because I want you to really understand this. You don't want to get its or its confused, right? Or mixed up. No way. So I want you to practice, and then you can check your answers. If you want to submit this in Schoology so your teachers can see that you worked on it, that's great, but you don't have to because we know you have the answers right here. Okay, I hope you have a terrific day.